post. Nice. Mark, got American triple heading your way. Got American triple heading your way. He's probably going to go right past you. Keep an eye out, mate. Oh no, he needs his lights on. Okay, Mark. Over to you. Okay, Mark's in our house again. Look what we got coming over. The big American lad, American Airlines 777. This one heading to Los Angeles. Thanks, Richard. So I'm coming down here to film the Mumbai arrival, yeah? Sorry, Heathrow arrival from Mumbai, yeah? Oh, okay. Okay, guys. American Airlines. Richard's at the paddock, and I'm at home, isolating after a trip back from Rome. Thanks, Richard. Thanks, Mark. Okay, guys, we have a next up on the list. We have a American 777. Heading to where, Mark? Denver. Oh, nice. Okay, this is going to be screaming over his head. Oh, actually, he'll go long, will he? Sorry, Matt. Yeah, he'll go long, I think. This American's going out to the US, isn't it? Who, Mum? Okay, Mum.